Hello and welcome to Healthy, Happy, Humble, and Inspiring. My name is Zarina, and on my channel, I am keeping it real. My goal is to bring you great videos on important topics that are important for you and your family's health. I want to inspire you to be healthy and take care of your family, yourself, your community, your loved ones, and your neighbors. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for all your likes, subscribes, and shares. And I am inspired to bring you great videos. And today, the topic that I'm talking about is something so important. You want to know what that is? That is sugar, okay? Now, sugar is something that we talk about all the time. Not only that, we eat sugar all the time. Sugar is something that is present in almost everything. I don't care what it is, fresh, natural, unnatural, it is in everything. Whether it's fresh fruits and vegetables, to add to soft drinks that has added sugars in it, and that's what I'm going to be talking about today. Sugar is a simple carbohydrate that is present in all things. It is present in natural fruits and vegetables, and it is also an additive in certain foods like soft drinks, canned foods, and many other things. Now, I'm going to tell you the difference between the natural sugars and the additive sugars, which sugars are actually good for you and which are not so healthy for you, and perhaps you should avoid them. Now, consuming too much sugar can lead to several health problems, and that can lead to heart disease, weight gain, even tooth decay, and also many other problems, which I will be discussing each one in great detail. I am going to tell you the 5 things that you should watch out for with many healthy food products, such as dairy products, vegetables, fruits, contain natural sugars. The sugar in these products is what actually gives you a sweet taste. To make it easy to understand, there are natural sugars and then there are added sugars. It is these added sugars that you need to watch out for, and I will explain to you what those are. These added sugars actually have no added value to your food. They have no nutritional value, and they are a bad source of energy for you because really they don't provide any energy. The body consumes it so quickly that it makes you hungry again very quickly, so you tend to eat more. The thing to understand about this is that sugar is hard to escape, and the added sugars, they're in everything like cereals, cakes, soft drinks, and it is those that can lead to health problems. Now I'm going to explain to you how much sugar is recommended on a daily basis. For men, it is recommended that you take 150 calories of sugar, which is 38 grams or 9 teaspoons. Now that's easy to remember. Everybody can remember 9 teaspoons. And for ladies, it is recommended 100 calories of sugar, which is around 25 grams or 6 teaspoons of sugar. So ladies, the formula is 6 teaspoons of sugar and no more. Sometimes it is so hard to understand because there's so much information about sugar, which sugars are good, which sugars are bad. So today I'm breaking it down very simply. And in just a moment, I'm going to explain to you the 5 things that happens when you eat the added sugars. Now, when I'm saying added sugars, these are the ones that are not in fruits and vegetables, okay? So you can consume the fruits and vegetables because they have natural sugar, but this is the ones that are added sugars I'm going to be talking about. So these added sugars basically have no nutritional value. That is the number one thing. These are what we call empty calories. They don't provide any vitamins or any minerals. They're just simply empty calories. And because they taste so good, it becomes a habit, and we like to eat those sugars, because these sugars are added in foods and soft drinks, and that increases the calories, but they don't provide any nutritional benefit. The body usually digests these foods and drinks quickly. This means that they're not a good source of energy. It can cause imbalances where nutrient deficits can lead to further health complications. Number 2 is weight gain. Consuming a lot of these added sugars will significantly increase your weight. Now, in most cases, those added sugars are high in calories. Consuming too much of those sugars, your body digests those added sugars so quickly that you become hungry again. And what you ate is just already digested. So then you're hungry again and you're going to eat more. And that eating more causes overall weight gain. Even if you exercise, it's not going to help you. So there's also some evidence that it can affect your biological pathways that regulate hunger. Now, what I mean by that is, I'm going to explain to you. There is a hormone called leptin. And that regulates your hunger, and it is determined by your energy and your body needs. So the disruption of leptin actually can lead to weight gain and obesity. It is important to note that sugar in itself is not the culprit. It is not what is causing you to gain the weight. Okay? It is one of the several causes of weight gain. Please understand that. Being overweight or obese is a result of many different things. It's a complex matter between diet, your physical activity, your genetics even play a major part of your weight gain, your social and your environmental factors. However, what I will say is that limiting the added sugars in your diet is one of the simplest ways to prevent weight gain. Number 3, now when we talk about diabetes, what do we say? This person has sugar. Well, sugar is one of the causes for diabetes, but it is not the only culprit in diabetes. Drinking sodas, however, and sugary soft drinks that are high in sugar, of course, lead to a person's risk of developing diabetes. There is a link between the sugary drinks and type 2 diabetes. It is not true that sugar causes diabetes, but a high-calorie diet of certain kinds of sugars can lead to type 2 diabetes. Diets that are high in high calories in sugar. Sugary drinks are particularly a problem. Avoid a high consumption and try to limit your drinks between 1 to 2 sugary drinks a day. That, I think, is a good amount, and I really don't think you need any more than that, soft drinks or sugary drinks during the day. Number 4, one of my favorite topics, and that is tooth decay. Okay, there is a direct link between too much sugar and cavities and tooth decay. Reason being, when we consume too much sugar, bacteria that is in the mouth forms a thin layer of plaque over our teeth. Now, when these bacteria react with the sugars present in the foods, that reaction triggers a release of acid. That is what actually damages your teeth and causes tooth decay and cavities. Now, those tooth decays and cavities can have a lasting damage, which can lead to further things where you're going to have to get your teeth pulled out, or you're going to have to get dentures or some other things because the dentist cannot fix those for you anymore. Cavities are permanent holes that are in the teeth. So what I would say is limiting your intake of foods that are high in sugar is one way to prevent cavities. And also, I would say if you have to eat those sugars, please go brush your teeth right after eating them. Number 5, now this is a little bit important topic because I'm talking about heart disease. There is a link between those people who consume diets high in added sugars and heart disease. It is not the only cause for heart disease, but it is one of the major causes for your heart disease. So studies have shown that added sugars in a diet of high sugar can lead to heart disease. And sugary drinks particularly may be the culprit. Now, I talked to you about added sugars. So how do you to find these added sugars. Where are they? If you look at the water bottle, does it say added sugar? Yes, it does. It actually says that. But in this water bottle, it is 0. If you pick up any label for any soft drink, juice, food, can, cereal, cake, everything has a label on it. But how do you identify sugar? It does not easily say sugar or added sugar. There are many different names for them. So some of the names that are used on labels, at least here in the United States, I will tell you what those are. They could be hidden under the names of dextrose, sucrose, agave nectar, maltose, molasses, even honey, and high fructose corn syrup. These, and also corn sweetener, crystalline fructose, and evaporated cane juice. These are the many different shapes and forms that sugar can take to get in those cans and cereals that become the added sugars that are really not healthy for us. So in this video, I've talked a lot about sugars and I've explained to you many different things. But the whole point of this video is a call to action for yourself. I want you to focus on your own health and start paying attention and reading the labels. That is extremely important, because unless you take a note of the sugars that are present in the foods that we intake on a daily basis, it is not going to help you. And the whole point of me bringing these great videos to you is to cause you to focus on your own health. I want you to be healthy. I want your family members to be healthy, as well as your neighbors, your loved ones. So please do that starting today. Remember, no more than 9 teaspoons for men and 6 teaspoons for ladies. I would say the best thing is, in all my videos I say that, baby steps. If you cannot cut out all the juices or all the sodas today, okay, how about you reduce it by 1? Reduce it by 1 today, and tomorrow by 2, 3, 4, until you can get down to 0 and you're back down to drinking water, my favorite subject, okay? So please, focus on yourself, focus on your labels, avoid these added sugars. Now continue to eat the fruits and vegetables that have the natural sugars on them, like all your fresh fruits like strawberries, watermelon, grapes. They actually, you see how sweet they are when you eat them? So continue to eat those and avoid those added sugar products like cakes, cereals, soft drinks, juices, etc. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I hope you all liked it. I try to bring you the most important topics that are to me, because I know those are the things that you all have questions about. If you have any questions about this video or any other topic that you would like for me to discuss, I will be happy to bring them to you. Thank you all so much for watching. Healthy, happy, humble, and inspiring. You are the best part of my videos. So please continue to watch them, like, subscribe, and share. Take care.